Asteroid impacts. Imagine this, you're enjoying your morning coffee, scrolling through your phone when suddenly, news headlines scream, "Massive asteroid detected on a collision course with Earth." Panic sets in, scientists scramble, governments go silent, and all you can do is watch as a giant space rock, possibly the size of a city, barrels toward our planet at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the terrifying truth. This has happened before, and it could happen again. 65 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula, triggering a firestorm that wiped out the dinosaurs. If something similar happened today, the results would be even more catastrophic. The impact would unleash energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. First, there'd be an explosion so powerful that anything within hundreds of miles of ground zero would be instantly vaporized. Shockwaves would rip through the planet, causing massive earthquakes and tsunamis that could swallow entire coastlines. But the worst part? The aftermath. Dust and debris would fill the atmosphere, blocking out the sun for months, maybe even years. Temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, a global winter could starve millions, and the scary part? We've had close calls. Asteroids like Apophis and 2012 DA-14 have brushed past Earth in recent years. NASA and other space agencies monitor these threats, but not all of them are detected in time. So, what if the one that ends us is already on its way?